Early on June 2, 2025, Mount Etna burst to life. Sitting atop Sicily, it sent shockwaves through the earth and into the sky. People looked up as the volcano began to unleash ash and fire. It wasn't just an eruption. It was Etna's most striking display in years. Today, we walk you through every phase of this fiery drama. Around 11:24 a.m. local time, tremors beneath Etna intensified. Monitoring systems detected a clear signal. Magma was on the move. Seconds later, a sudden roar signaled the start. A blast of ash and molten rock shot from the crater, sending plumes skyward and hearts racing. The eruption quickly gained strength. Within minutes, Etna was ejecting ash more than 21,000 feet into the sky. The plume stretched high and wide, casting a dark shadow over Sicily. Towns downwind reported ashfall, a fine gray grit landing on homes and cars. Next came the lava. Glowing red rivers of molten rock spilled over Etna's crater rim. The main flow moved toward the Valle del Bove, a canyon that often contains Etna's fury. Despite the volume, the lava remained far from towns. The eruption was fierce, but controlled. Suddenly, a collapse on the crater's edge triggered a rare pyroclastic flow, a deadly surge of ash, gas, and rock. Cameras caught it racing down the mountain. It moved fast, but stopped safely in a high-altitude zone. For scientists, it was a valuable and unforgettable event. Tourists near the summit were quickly escorted away as the eruption escalated. Many caught the moment on video, ash billowing behind them as guides led them down. Thanks to strict safety zones, no one was harmed, but it was a day few will forget. In the city of Catania, about 30 kilometers away, people felt the effects. Streets were dusted with ash. Some wore masks. Others paused in awe, watching the plume rise. Life didn't stop, but everything slowed under a fine volcanic veil. Catania Airport briefly suspended all incoming flights. Volcanic ash poses a serious threat to aircraft engines, so airspace was rerouted. The airport resumed operations within hours, but it was a clear reminder of nature's ability to ground our most advanced machines. Etna is one of the world's most monitored volcanoes. Italy's INGV team used thermal imaging, drones, and seismic data to study the eruption. Their findings will improve our understanding of crater collapse events and help predict the next explosive chapter. By evening, Etna had quieted. The lava cooled, the ash settled, and life slowly resumed. The June 2025 eruption caused no injuries, only wonder. But it left behind striking images and crucial data. Etna sleeps again, but never for long. Subscribe to AnyShorts for daily epic science stories. Hit that bell now.